Namaste to all of you. Thanks for watching this Bollywood dance tutorials. I hope you all enjoyed. First and foremost thing, how you're going to start a sequence, it starts with 4 counts first. So the first 4 counts, as you're standing like this, it goes like this. First count, 1, 2, 3, 4. Followed by this, putting your right leg, just walk forward for the count 5, 6, 7, and 8. For this 8 counts, you can do your own pose, your own style, or you can just follow what I'm doing here. Okay? Starting from the beginning, starting count 1, any pose you want, you can do it. Then 2, then 3, and 4. After this 4 count, followed by this is very important, you need to follow this one. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So right after following 8 counts, the next count we're going to do it. You're going to lift your right leg, jump, go back, again jump, go back. So after it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing again, when you do the second time, you will put your elbow in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding your fingers, touching your thumb and little finger. You will lift your right leg, take a quick jump, then here, 7, 8. So right after finishing this one, you're going to jump back, pointing out your hands like as if you're pushing. The count goes like this. 1, 2 shoulders, 3, 4. Hands open. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Same thing, hands open again. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you finish your 4, you're going to kick right leg, bend a little bit down, hands to the knee level. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to jump to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat this one more time. As you finish here, 7, 8. You're going to jump to the right side, pointing on your hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right after finishing this one, you're going to lift your left leg, jump on right leg. As in how we do it, you're going to use your hands like this. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right after finish this one, the same sequence will be a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you finish here, till now, till here is a male voice. Right after this one, you will finish, you will listen to the female voice. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So followed by this, lock your hands here and putting your right leg forward. 1, 2, shake a little bit here. Hands open up to the ceiling. Take a quick jump and go back. And with the sequence, after finishing 5, 6 here, we're going to use your left leg, pointing on your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hands up to the ceiling. Quick jump and go back. So right after finishing the next step, goes with right leg, left hand, jump on right leg. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then 5 right leg, hands up. 6. You can do any movement you feel comfortable. Like you can do anything you feel comfortable. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here. You're going to jump on right leg. 7, 8. Followed by pushing your hands for the elbow in the front like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it finishes one main part. Let's do it with the music.